cut the onion or cut into cubes about 1 centi.
This is celery leaves.
And the celery leaves
Yeah.
also cut like this. Already cut vegetables you put into the previous pan where the ribs were frying.
Gravy.
So the gravy can be used onto the vegetable dish.
And put a little water.
Vegetables already cut are the carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, potato and onions. This is how it's getting cooked. Cut celery leaves too, and then stir. This way you can use
And
the
put a little water.
barbecue remnants to make another side vegetable dish alongside. Cover it.
More fire.
Kept it covered for some time.
One little put just one water. And the salt.
Add a pinch of salt. Mixed. And cover. Squeeze a half lemon and cover. That's the vegetable getting cooked.
Yes.
After 20 minutes or so, that's how the dish looks like.
Okay.
All the vegetables are soft and cooked nicely.
Greens.
Place it on a plate, and that's the completed dish. Sprinkle few coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves on top.
These two eat.
That is the completed dish. Vegetable cooked with barbecue sauce, barbecue gravy.